In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a site or widget in Wix. Whether you're looking to integrate a helpful widget or present another site directly on your page, the process is straightforward and highly customizable to fit your needs. Let's dive in and step through this together. Start by opening up your Wix site in the editor, be it Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Once you're in, navigate to the specific page where you want the embeddable content to appear. This is important because the embedding function is tailored to enhance individual pages, so knowing which page to work on from the outset will streamline the whole process. Next, let's focus on adding the embed or HTML's embed element. On the left panel of your screen, you're going to want to find the Add Elements button. Click on it, and then you're looking for something like Embed Code, Embed and Social, or a similar option that's dedicated to providing embedding capabilities. This section houses various options that let you customize and adjust how external content is integrated into your site. Now, here's where you need to decide between two specifics: Embed HTML, Code, or Embed Site. If you have a snippet of HTML code aimed at inserting a specific widget onto your page, you'll select Embed HTML, or simply Code. Conversely, if your goal is to embed another complete site or a specific web page, Embed Site is the better option. This decision is crucial because it defines how the content will be integrated. For inserting the code or URL, if what you're embedding is a widget, you'll need to paste the code snippet into the HTML embed element. Look for options titled HTML or Code in this context to ensure your widget appears correctly. These options will open a text box or a similar feature where you can directly input the code. Make sure to test it afterwards to see if it functions as expected within your site. Alternatively, if you're embedding another site or a particular page, opt for Embed a Site, which might also be labeled as Website Address. This option provides a space where you can paste the full URL of the site or page you intend to embed. Just like with the widget, make sure to view how this integration appears within your site framework to verify everything's in working order. Each step in this process is about ensuring that the additional content enriches the viewer's experience without cluttering your page layout. A final tip is to always preview the changes you've made before publishing them live, as it offers a chance to adjust styles or fix any minor issues. And there you have it. You now know how to seamlessly embed a site or widget in Wix, effectively enhancing your site's functionality and user engagement.